Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you're doing great, and today we are diving into a comprehensive guide on how to make money with WarriorPlus, a powerhouse affiliate marketing platform. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video will walk you through the entire process from creating an account to finding lucrative offers and maximizing your earnings. And guys, before we get started, if you would like to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description and get registered and watch the complete masterclass. You know, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of automated systems worth thousands of dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So I request you to please visit the first link and get registered. So to begin with today's video, head over to WarriorPlus. You can easily find it by searching online, and it will be the first results. You can just Google it. Okay, so once you are on the website, simply click on free sign up or just sign up for free and fill in your details like username, password and email address. So after verifying your account, you'll land on your dashboard. Now on your dashboard, you'll notice various sections including top products. Okay, these are the cream of the crop offers, categorized by their performance over different time frames like today, yesterday, last 7 days and last 30 days. So here you need to keep an eye on this as they indicate high converting products worth promoting. When browsing offers, pay attention to key metrics such as release date, sales, conversion rates, visitor value, average sale and refund rate. You know, refund rate is particularly very crucial, and aim for offers with low refund rates, ideally below 6%. You know, high refund rates can signal dissatisfaction with the product, which can impact your earnings. So all this information you can easily find it from offer section. Okay, now I'll just show you. Let's talk about finding and promoting offers. So here you need to navigate to affiliate, drop down menu and just select offers, and here you'll find a vast array of offers to choose from with all the information which I've said you. So look for offers with high visitor value and low refund rate. Now let's take an example for agency arbitrage mastery. So I'll just copy it from the top vendor list. So here you'd be finding batches, right? So as you can see, so this would be indicating you that the product is very good to promote. Alright, so agency arbitrage mastery, I'll just copy it and head over to the offer section and paste it over there. So as you can see here, agency arbitrage mastery has a refund rate of 3%, a conversion rate of 18% and a visitor value that's quite appealing. So once you have identified an offer you'd like to promote, simply click on it to request approval, and you know, approval is usually quick, often within 15 to 30 minutes. So just provide a brief explanation on how you can plan to promote the offer. Either it can be through video reviews, or it can be like promoting on social media, running advertisements, or just writing articles and posting it on different platforms. So it can be any form. So choose your own method and briefly give information to get approval. So once you get approval, start promoting and getting credited with the affiliate sales. As for withdrawing your earnings, navigate back to WarriorPlus dashboard and click on wallet icon. From there, follow the steps to withdraw your earnings using your preferred payment method such as PayPal. And keep in mind that there may be a pending period of around 30 days for your earnings to become available for withdrawal. So at last, when choosing offers to promote, prioritize products with high conversion rates, low refund rates, and be patient and consistent in your efforts. You know, affiliate marketing with WarriorPlus can be lucrative with the right approach and right dedication. And please make a note, guys. WarriorPlus would be giving you with affiliate products where you can promote it and start making some commissions, but they doesn't provide you any marketing tutorials. So if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then please get registered to the first link in the description and I'll meet you on the other side. This is a no-brainer, guys, so don't miss this opportunity. And I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing. Why? Because if you do subscribe and hit that bell icon, then it would be motivating me to create new content, and also you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. Until next time, stay happy, have a great day, bye bye.